I'm going to have this. Ah, this is super refreshing. Mmm. Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. If you are new to my channel, I upload northeastern recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook otenga mas. Yes, it's a delicious tangy dish all the way from Assam that's basically elephant apple with fish. Where the elephant apple will be used as a souring agent. I got this intriguing fruit all the way from Meghalaya, and now without further delay, let's check out the ingredients. Elephant apple or otenga, rohu fish, you can use any carp, onions, oil, mustard seeds, green chilies, salt, and turmeric powder. Let's start cooking our tangy fish curry. Wash them couple of times. Then pound them once with your pestle and keep aside. Take your fish pieces, marinate them with turmeric powder for 10 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan. Gently add your marinated fish pieces and shallow fry it for 4 to 5 minutes on each side on a medium flame. Remove them and keep aside. In the same pan, add your mustard seeds and let it splutter. Add your onions and split green chilies. Stir fry them until golden. Now add little turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and your elephant apple pieces. Stir and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. It's time to add our fish pieces now. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes on a low flame. Give the gravy a stir and open cook it, and ensure that you reduce the water to half. It's going to be a runny gravy and ours looks ready. And to go along with it, I have prepared some brinjal fry, which was only marinated with salt and turmeric. Here is a beautiful Otenga mas gravy, and it's looking superlatively delicious. It has a perfect yellow sunshine color, and I'm sure the turmeric has done a lot of trick. As I'm seated here, I can have this beautiful flavor of mustard seeds coming through. And you can also smell that slight tanginess from the Otenga. The elephant apple is slightly fibrous, so just perfect to continue chewing as you eat. And the gravy, if you see, yeah, it's very thin. People in the villages make it more runny than this, to be honest. Yeah, and it will have this pale yellow color. And if you do not prefer using turmeric, that's absolutely fine. And to accompany this delicious dish, I have steamed rice and brinjal fry. And I hope you remember, I did mention it. So, I think it's the moment of truth and we are going to try it. I'm already slurping too much, yeah. So not even that I can cook. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm going to pour it over the rice now. Yay! It's gonna be a lovely lunch. Oh my gosh, if you see the color, I hope you can see it in detail. You can see a lot of mustard seeds around. I'm going to have this. This is super refreshing. You can actually taste the sweetness from the fruit, although it's tangy. And let's keep this aside. I think I'm going to take some more elephant apple slices. Yep. And it's time. And if you have a close look at it, the rice just absorbed the gravy. I think all the tanginess is getting infused now. And I'm going to mash one chili. These are the kind of dishes that we would hope to eat during summer months across the globe. And even in South India, we prefer a lot of rasam. Yeah, that's again based out of tamarind or anything tangy. I think if we introduce them to this fruit, they'll be really delighted. So I have taken a small piece of fish along with my rice, mix it well, make it soft as possible. I think the resisting capacity is very bad, and I'm really sorry if you can hear a dog barking at my background. I hope he's all fine. That's about 3 buildings away from here. This was just the perfect blast of flavor that I wanted to taste and had to wait for so long. Let me tell you, this fruit basically grows only between October to February. So we carefully try to preserve it. And we do have pickling and other styles drying them too. For the fresh ones, we do consider eating them this way. You can also finely chop this. You can not finely chop. You can chop them like this and dry it in the sun and use it for later months. But nowadays, with the refrigerator as a convenience, we can keep them in fridge for about 4 months. The fruit has ripened, so it just got dissolved. Literally, I thought it would be very highly fibrous. Okay. I'm sweating. Brinjal. The brinjal is so soft and mushy, and also with no masalas. It's just really good for your stomach. The fish is sweet. And the flavors got perfectly infused into the fish as well. I think even with small fish, if you just throw them into the dish without frying, will also be awesome. The fruit is really rich in vitamin C and other nutrients, and it is something that cools your body down during the summer. So not just it's tasty, it has a lot of benefits, and I think nature has its own way of showing us paths, but we have to just choose it wisely and know when to cook what. The bones. Oh, I have to share a joke with you guys. So once one of my friend, she called fish bones thorns, and then I started like rolling on the floor and laughing. Then she didn't understand that thorns are only for plants. And if she's watching this, I'm sure she's going to kill me. But after that, the lamest excuse was that she's a vegetarian. Ha ha ha. Oh, I can see some bones. This is very appetizing, man. Wasn't it this so easy to prepare? And if you have enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't waste these fibers. Chew them as much as possible and then discard the rest. And I hope there are no bones in here. Okay, just press and see. See, didn't I tell you there are still bones. Okay, here goes my last morsel. I've really enjoyed eating these meals and hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you have watched it so far, a big shout out to all of you. Also do consider subscribing to my channel and share it with your family and friends so that they can enjoy this lovely Northeast Indian food. Until then, see you soon.